So today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Mac using QuickTimePlayer. And the good thing about QuickTimePlayer is that it's already pre-installed on your Mac. So all you want to do is open up Launchpad, type in QuickTime, just there, open that up. I'm just going to hit cancel this one, but it's basically the save location. And then once you've done that, you'll see QuickTimePlayer up here. All you got to do is click File, New Screen Recording, and then you're going to get a few different options, capture the entire screen, but these are for photographs. The first three, this is capture entire screen, capture a window, or capture a select portion, and then there is these record entire screen, or record a select portion. So if we wanted to record like a select portion of the screen, we just click this one, and we have this option here. We can also have other options available to us as well, which is where we can save it to, if we want a time before we start, what microphone we're going to use for this recording, and some other options. So what I'm going to do is just click save to desktop for the time being. I'm going to hit record, and now you can see here that the rest of the screen is darkened and we have our recording going. So I'm just going to move this. So I'm just going to scroll through the calendar, something to record. As you can see here, when you want to stop the recording, all you do is go up to the top bar here. As you can see on the say near our clock, you'll see this circle with a stop button in it. Just click that and it stops the recording. So now you'll see this file pop up on our desktop right here. Just click that and we click play, and you'll see our screen recording just like that. And that's how you do a screen recording on the macOS, on the Mac using QuickTime. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.